But the question that everybody will ask, your own personal telephone, your house, your residence was used as a meeting point by your nephew. The divide is really
I have said that in my statement to the CBI also. I can say that again also. He is my nephew. And if he is 45, 46 years old, I have known him for all those years. He does come to me. He did come to me. I mean, not does now.
And he was often seen in your office and residence.
No, please don't say that. I mean, just don't.
This was alleged by the witnesses.
Just don't go on hearsay. Well, for all these years, such a large, well-knit family that we have at Chandigarh, maybe 30 first cousins and their sons and daughters married there, and there further in the families which they are married, further people are married there. A huge family. I mean, that we extended one, which has been an asset to me. But this has come in the same, I mean, the same thing. I mean, here something, I mean, which is a cataclysmic event sort of thing for me has also happened because of that only. But to say that he was always here operating through this place is not correct. I mean, if he were to come here, my relatives come here, they come and stay with me.
And he uses your personal phone.
What personal phone? I mean, no, please, personal phone is my mobile phone. Personal phone is otherwise the number here, the official number. Now, you've been here for quite some time setting up for this. Have you seen this phone here? If you had ever seen when I was a minister here, what would be the number of people gathered here trying to use the phone? Should a public man, a political person, ask that his phone must not be used by anyone? If somebody picks up the phone from here and calls up, all sort of things that are expected of the politicians is the minimum. That when the visitors come, their phone may be used. But then all that you have to find out, what was done here. That is what is important. Not that just the phone has been used by somebody or what.
I mean, your office phone has been as a meeting point.
No, meeting point of whom? Now here is a very important point which you have raised, and that also needs clarification. I see through the transcripts again that at one point, one of those people tells the officer, rush to the minister's house. The minister is there. Rush to the minister's house. He is given the directions of this house. He says, rush to the minister's house. Minister is there. When he comes here, I am not here. Then he speaks to him that the minister is not here. My nephew was here, as he says. I don't remember that. But then he says he also did not meet me. Please go through the transcripts. And then he says he went to the office. At office, I declined to meet him. So how do you put two to make it four? If somebody is at my bag, I mean, that is what unfortunately people do. That is where our life is so vulnerable. You are meeting people in large numbers every day. Who talks what about you at your back? A person who doesn't even know me says that he had met me at Mohali, and I had assured him that I had not even initiated the file when I had cleared the file and sent it on 18th. Is this not one single point enough to say that there was total disconnect or total mismatch, or, well, I said no link whatever, no corresponding link whatever within what they were saying and what I was doing? Had there been a link, had I been a party to it, or there had been any complicity on my part, or I had only got a sifarish from them and nothing else I knew of, even then there would have been something corresponding to what they were saying. Then this would not have happened. Then he would have known on 18th that I had cleared the file. Okay, I did not agree to what he said, but at least he would have known that I had cleared the file on 18th. These 2 days are extremely important, and it's on some basis that they haven't found anything against me. I mean, if a raid happens at my nephew's place, the agency does a good job. If after 2 months intensive investigation and 7-hour questioning me for 7 hours, and if I were to say playing mind games as also, psychological thing, trying to ask me, elicit any possible information, if they come to a conclusion that there's no link, then you find fault, then you say, well, he's been saved. Is that how we work? This is what has been done, and I feel when you said media trial, what I said is, what I still say is, media somehow, well, this is the world we are living in. Let itself be beguiled by my political rival at Chandigarh, nothing else. Not even their people here. They would know. And during these 6 months which I had in the ministry, people had been coming to me. It was not large number of matters people would have been coming to me. I need not refer to that. Can anyone point out anything on my behalf that I was expecting anything from anyone?